as a part of another question type, that is inserting a sentence before an option. So for that, here is an instruction, that is, so you look at the 4 red colors and indicate that letter where the following sentence could be added to the passage. And first and foremost, try to read the sentence which is written in a block letters. That is, but this research has been criticized for being based on too few subjects. So we need to insert this sentence before A or B or C or D, wherever it is suitable. And this passage is again discussing with the radon emissions and the effects it produces and the causes as well. As we all know that radioactive elements are susceptible in producing the cancers, whereas it is discussing with the health hazards that are related to cancer. And here we have got the sentences like the chief health risk for inhaling radon or its daughter products is lung cancer. When a person inhales the radioactive substances, it results in lung cancer. And the sentence A is, scientists have concluded that exposure to this carcinogenic, which causes cancer, is the second leading cause of this disease in United States. So this is at apex level in the United States, as it is people are getting exposed to radioactive elements. And major scientific organizations believe it contributes to approximately 12% of incident in the United States alone. It is true that some research has cast doubt on the likelihood of residential radon accumulations contributing to cancer rates. This is discussing about the cause that is contributing to the cancer rates. And as A and B are correlating with each other, there is no scope of inserting it before A or either B. And let us see the option C. Other large-scale studies contradicting the neutral findings. For example, a recent study of 68,000 underground miners who were exposed to high levels of radon shows that they are 5 times more likely to die of lung cancer than the general population. And this option is discussing about how about the studies carried out and what it is discussing about, and on what basis it can be contradicted. If we want to discuss about the contradiction part, we need to use some other sentence which might have earlier discussed about this contradiction part. So then we can take up with, but this research has been criticized for being based on too few subjects. So what are those few subjects is discussed in the option B. So they are, it is true that some research has cast doubt on likelihood of residential radon accumulations. So residential radon accumulations that are contributing to the cancer. So, but this research has been criticized. I mean, this result which is produced by the scientists has been criticized for being a study carried out only about few subjects. And then the other large scale studies that contradict the neutral findings. So some example is mentioned over here. And then the continuation of this is people are dying with this lung cancer, thereby the population is getting decreased as radioactive elements are getting increased. And smokers who incidence of lung cancer is significantly higher than the non-smoking population. And probably people in US are dying out of passive smoking, so that is being liberated by radioactive elements or radioactive decay rather than either cigarette smoking or something else, or else might be neither be with the passive smoking. So therefore we can choose answer as C, which can be inserted before it.